Welcome, guys. Hi, happy Saturday morning to all of us. So yeah, this is my before shower look. So the product that I'll be introducing to you right now is the product that I use for my miracle facial. So of course, the product that I've used so far is none other than our Timewise Repair Volufirm Foaming Cleanser. Okay, and right now this is our Timewise Repair Age Minimize 3D 4-in-1 Cleanser. So yeah, this is actually a powerful antioxidant protection. Now our 4-in-1 cleanser comes in two types. One is for normal and dry skin and the other is for combination to oily skin. So this time, as you all know, since our skin type is oily, so we will be using the combination to oily type of cleanser. Okay. And to tell you more about what Age Minimized 3D is all about. So 3D approach to skin aging, that is what it means. So the first D is for defend. It defends against age accelerating free radicals on skin with multiple antioxidant benefits. The second D stands for delay. It delays the look of premature skin aging with broad spectrum UVA, UVB protection and an exclusive patent pending complex. The third D stands for delivers. It delivers pending complex multiple signs of skin aging in just 4 weeks. Imagine that. So what are these signs of skin aging? Fine lines, resilience, smoothness, overall appearance, wrinkles, luminosity, and softness. So mo na siya iyang hatag sa ato ang result in just 4 weeks. Okay. And to tell you more about the cleanser itself, so of course it's suitable for sensitive skin like mine. So this multitasking gel cleanser removes impurities and leaves skin feeling clean, exfoliated, and looking brighter. It enhances skin's natural youthful appearance and features our patent pending age minimized 3D complex. So of course, how to use this? Just morning and evening actually, and apply to wet face and neck. Avoid the eye area and add extra water to enhance lather and of course viscosity. So one morning and evening, kaya naman ni siya cream, na siya day cream and night cream, which of course I'm going to share to you in the next coming days. Alright, so we're gonna try this now. Of course, we have to wash our face first. Alright, so here it goes. Is all what you need, but if you wish to add more, then of course you can. Okay, so all done. Ano ni siya. So actually, this is not the first time that I'm going to be using this product because it's actually one of the first product that I've used sa Mary Kay. Ako pa lang itong gigamit ang iyang mini set. I'm going to show this to you next time. So this is actually also the reason why I fell in love with Mary Kay. So, mo na nga, parang ako, of all the products that I've used so far, yes, Mary Kay is the most expensive, but the most effective so far. And yeah, almost done here, but I'm just going to show you the panoramic x-rays akong teeth before it got extracted. So muna siya actually ang teeth na extract right here. This one. Yeah. So this is actually my teeth. Yeah. So na-show na kayo ng x-ray, no? Panoramic na and digital. Sorry. Yeah. So as you can see, na siya. Napagani ko sa dili nga wala na siya nakatubo. Just like this one, pero sa babaw. So yun ang dentist, as long as dili lang niya siya magsakit, wala lang na problema ng wala na nubo. Wala na siya kagawas, kay matupa sa dentist. Puno na ko nung kaayo sa una akong ngipon. So muna wala na siya nakagawas. So yeah, as what they say, ang ato ko nung ngipon are the only parts of our body nga kung madaot or magsakit, it can't heal by itself. That's why we need to always take care of our teeth. Okay, kung sakit, it will really affect the other parts of our body, like maglibat ng ulo, ganahan mo pahuway, pwede pahuway, you know, kaya na, maka-add siya stress. And especially if ma-complicate na ang ngipon, so mahal na kaayo. Alright? So, prevention is better than cure, guys. Don't forget that. So, yeah, this ends our demonstration for today. See you next time, and thank you all for watching. So don't forget once again to like my videos, leave a comment, and of course don't forget to subscribe to my Manika channel, and thank you all so much. And don't forget to praise and worship God every day, every moment of our lives. Bye for